Hello and welcome back to Break Hard Orchard. We are in the middle of the Sips house build, and today we are putting in a window with a header and about 9 different pieces that go into the jack system for it. One of the challenges that we ran into with the other side was what I have come to understand is called accumulated error. And what happened was we ended up with about 3/4 of an inch more wall than we had space for.
I don't think it's really error.
You don't think it's error? She doesn't think it's error. So on this one, we were much more careful. After we built that wall and ran into that problem, we started being much more careful in the way that we put the walls up. And we have gotten much tighter walls. Now, on this side, there's a small gap at the bottom, no gap at the top. But if you walk around here to the other side of this wall, you'll see that it is touching at the bottom and almost touching at the top. And what that means is that the skins are not exactly lined up from one side to the other, and you really wouldn't expect them to be. But we've had that kind of success in putting in the seams all the way across this wall.
And it's level.
And it's level. We've made sure that it's level the whole way. It's possible that we accumulated 3/4 of an inch of error.
Not error.
But the bottom line is we have 7 feet 8 inches of wall left, 7 feet 7 1/4 inches of foundation left. So either we have the wall sticking out 3/4 of an inch, or I make an adjustment. And since I did it on the last one, I'm going to do it on this one. I'm going to go ahead and cut about 3/4 of an inch off and remove the foam on this side so that we can put the end plate in and put the walls together. We were thinking about trying to make that cut and then put all the walls together so we had everything together and then set it up with the excavator. We decided to just go ahead and put it together piece by piece. This first one should go in relatively easy. We've already put in the sip seal and nailed in the spline. So we're gonna lift this 1 foot wide piece up, get it in place. We've already got the straps set out, so we're gonna go ahead and use some ratchet straps to help pull it in tight. And then we're just gonna hammer it in and get as tight of a seam as we possibly can. Knock it down first. Probably gonna need a little bit bigger board. Let me have one of those pieces right there. That'll work. All the way down?
Yeah, it needs to go over now. Bouncing.
Well, then we're gonna use the strap to pull it tight and nail it.
Okay, keep going. It's coming out on this side. Can you help me? I need your help. So it's starting to go from here. How do I do that?
You're not supposed to have it like that. You gotta have tension on it.
Well, it came in like it's touching the top. Oh, wait, it has nowhere to go. We're going to put the bottom piece in first, and
jack in the wall,
Yep.
and we put another piece of wood on it that comes up to here for the bottom of the windowsill. That's the jack for the windowsill.
Okay.
Right? And then we put the header in above it. The header will sit on top of the jack.
Okay.
And we have another jack on this side. It never goes the way I want it to go.
Well, this time we're using the crane, the
Yeah, we're using the excavator to lift that up. But it just always goes kind of bad.
Well, we just keep the excavator in place. Except the excavator moves, that's the only thing.
Well, I know that it's supposed to be 77 inches because it's been 77 inches on every other window and they're all the same height. Making both jacks 77 inches. Plans one more time?
I do.
Alright.
Okay. Just one more time.
Can I nail this in first?
See, that's the tricky part.
Let's look at the plans one more time, baby.
First down?
Is it in there? Yeah, put it down. Just hold tight. Scrap of wood to beat it up your way so as it falls. As gravity brings it down, it'll be in the right place. That's underhanded swing is what got me. That's a good time. Push it all the way in. Pull the trigger. Alright. Give me a I'm killing it.
Short nails. You have short nails.
Alright, I need long nails first.
I can't do it by myself. If you can help me start that, I could do it. I just couldn't hold on.
Yep. Alright. We are once again racing the sun. The question is, can we beat it? Today, I think we can. And today, no matter what my lovely bride tries to entice me with, I'm not gonna start a big old panel in the middle of the night. Once it's dark, it's dark. You can just barely still see the sun over the mountain. I went ahead and cut 3/4 of an inch off the edge of this, but now I've got to go ahead and scrape out some of the foam so that a 2x6 will fit down in it. It's not working. Did a fuse blow? Check over there to see if the fuse blew. Yeah, and that's when I had it.
Well, we just have it on right now.
Honey, I had it on. It's not working.
Maybe get us one.
I don't know if this is going in tonight. Put it back down. I'm putting that piece on it so that it hangs down because it's driving me crazy. So we got it done. It's about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours longer than I wanted to be here, but we got it done. We're not doing another panel tonight. Okay, good. It's a bit of a struggle sometimes. Trimming that bottom, that foot plate seems to have done a lot for us and able to get it down and on there and move the panels around a little bit easier. Everything is, the skin, the panels are up tight against each other. There is a gap on this one right here, but on the other side of it, they're completely touching and the panels are straight in line with each other. So the only thing I can say is the skins on one side or the other aren't exactly lined up. That's just how it is. If you enjoyed what you saw, if you got any value out of it, even if it was just entertainment, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, follow along with us. Share it, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Some other people might enjoy it too. I want to say thank you to all the people who have subscribed recently. I want to say thank you to all the people who have subscribed recently. As of this weekend, we hit 200 subscribers. So it's nice to know people are interested. Hopefully people are learning something along the way. My mouth is starting to go to sleep from the cold. It was 23 degrees this morning. We came out here, it was just over 30 degrees. The wind was not blowing. As the sun went down, it got colder and the wind picked up just a little bit. There's no rain or bad weather in the forecast for the next few days, so we should be okay to take off and leave this place. If you learned anything, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Love to have your support and love to have y'all following along while we do the rest of this. We got a whole lot to do with this house, and then it's all the rest of the things with the orchard and the cidery. Come on back and check us out. We'll see you guys then at Breakhard Orchard.